So, one more aspect of Shiva, Lord Shiva, is that he will always test your intentions. Okay, I'll give you an example. Indradev and Brahmaji went to meet Lord Shiva. Okay, and when he saw them coming, when he saw Indradev and Lord Brahma, visiting him, he immediately went and sat in the way of Indradev and Brahmaji. Uh, uh, in the what do you say? Being dressed as some yogi or jogi who is doing meditation in the path of Indradev and Brahmaji. So he was just sitting there, and Indradev asked him, "Who are you?" He did not answer. He asked him again, "Who are you?" He did not answer. Ultimately, Indradev took his Vajra, and he, tried to, attack on Shiva. So he got angry with that, and he opened his third eye, and he threw fire on Indradev. And Brahmaji somehow asked for the forgiveness from Lord Shiva, and then he uh, redirected that fire and he threw it in the ocean. Okay, so that's how the Jalandhar took birth. Okay, but then I'm trying to point out here is that Lord Shiva is always testing your intention as to why you are coming to him, what are you going to ask him, and what is your attitude while you are, requesting him to do something, or for whatever reason you have approached him, what is your attitude in that particular moment. Okay, so he'll be always testing your intention, so be aware of it. Okay, have pure intentions when you are going